welcome to a beautiful day in Wicklow. I am down at a brand new river I have literally never ever been to. I've only got a short amount of time today. I'd say about an hour and a half from now I have to be driving away. I brought bare bones minimum. I have with me in my right hand the shovel, nothing in my left hand. On my bag is a 1/2 inch classifier and a gold pan. So you can see we've got a nice deep gully that probably does have gold in it. If this is a gold bearing river, and again I've no idea. Probably there you might get flood gold in and against the moss. This part here, again I don't have the sucker tube with me today. If I did, that'd be ideal. I think this section here, even though there might be gold down below, I don't have the sucker tube so I can't run it. So I think this section here is going to be my panning pool. So this should be something different. Oh yeah, the only other thing I do have is I have the bar on my bag. I literally just threw the pan on the bag and said let's go, you know. So yeah, the thing about this, I don't know if there's gold here. I've never been here before. I've never sampled this river before. I've absolutely no idea what may or may not be here. Now look at this. This is very loose material off to the side. Off to the side. Right, so we now have one full pan and it's from that corner over there. I don't have a bucket with me for super concentrating. I'm just going to work this all the way down and we'll see is there gold. The pan was cleaned beforehand, so that should be fine. Oh, interesting. Microdot gold there. So, there's a speck around here gold there. So, from my knowledge and years of doing this, I can assume that if it's in that gravel there, it's also going to be in this gravel here. And because this has more rocks, that's a lot densely packed. That's going to be where to find even more gold. So look at that. That's brilliant. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Sneaking suspicion that's going to be flood gold. A suspicion that's going to be flood gold. Oh, there's a nice lump of quartz there. Quartz and iron. What we'll do is we'll dig under that. Actually, that's under there. More the same gravel. Okay. Oh, that's nice and deep. Hang on. I'm not going to be talking through the whole thing because I've got things to get on with. So I'll edit it down. It's obviously not going to be an entire hour of just me test panning. Unless of course you want to see that. If you want to see that, let me know in the comments below. Yeah, a few little gravels in there. Nothing much exciting there. It's nice and deep actually. Get a few of those boulders out of the way. Now here's an example of a full pan, full classifier. I'm going to pick up this classifier, but I don't want to pick up the big rocks. So what I'll do is I'll wash them off before I pick everything up. Shale, shale, granite, shale. Sometimes when you're panning, actually not sometimes, always when you're panning, you're going to lose some gold. There's Sluice. It's about 80%, 90% of gold depending on how fast you go. So let's have a quick look at this. Interesting, I like that sand. I've seen that sand in main rivers before and I was always wondering where it came from. So it's possible that it came from here, which is good, because when I find that sand, I usually find garnets. probably pan number 5, I think. Oh, interesting. Oh yeah, that's the piece. This is where you should clean out your pan. That's the piece that was already in there. So just want to show the basics, and especially for people who are just starting out and maybe don't have much money and only have like a pan and a classifier. If you're buying any pan, loads of production pans out there, of all pans, especially if you're in America, you can just simply walk into a shop and buy Garrett Super Sluice, Garrett half-inch classifier. That half-inch classifier, I put some zip ties on it lately because the plastic part broke. I've been throwing rocks with that thing for 10 years and it's only broken now. We're digging. I'm gonna have a look. That looks nicer. That dirt looks a bit better. Hey! Oh, we could be on the winner here. Look at that. There's not much material in here, so it shouldn't take too long. Oh, this could be good. Right, that looks a little bit bigger than the one that was in here already. I'm gonna get the snuffer bottle. I'm gonna snuffer it up just so we have a clean pan to start with. Oh, I'm excited now. That's probably pan number 7 at this stage, I think. It's not a whole lot of gold, but I just want it out of the way. I don't want to throw it out, but I also don't want it in the pan, because I want to have an accurate sample. There are multiple different snuffer bottles on the market. Garrett, Guzzler, homemade ones. Me personally, I just love the Caledonian. Just picking up anything that looks like gold. The next pan. Right, we're going to rinse that pan again. Put the bottle back over here beside the bar, so we don't lose it. This could be very interesting. Okay, now we got it full. Not full, but a bit more. Let me get the bar. See if I can get that out of there. Very intrigued. Oh no, no, no. No, thank you. Don't want to lose all my gold. I should really clean that out. Haven't cleaned that snuffer bottle in about a month. I'd say it'd be close to 0.3 of a gram in there. So yeah, I really should clean that out at some point. Oh wow. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Scott. Oh man. I don't know if you can see this properly. Maybe when the water clears, I'll give you a better look. Oh, this is gorgeous. Right, we've got a clay layer and we've got a lot of rocks sitting here, stuck in the clay. But the rocks themselves are quartz, like dirty quartz. Quartz on the bottom, iron on top. Oh, this is nice. No more test panning anywhere else. We're going to work this place down. Yeah, there you go. There you go. That's good. This is nice. Right, get the shovel. Get that out of there. I'll tell you what to do. We'll pan that down first of all, so we can get rid of these big rocks and just have a look at what's in here. And we took the gold out already. If I had just given up after 4 or 5 pans, that'll be the end of it. We wouldn't have found that in pan number 8 at this stage. What I'm going to do now is get the shovel, go back into that patch of ground. See, we're getting on 20 quarter, okay, about half an hour. Decided I'm going to work this ground only, this one patch. Up until now I've been just sample panning everywhere, but so far got a decent piece of gold out of here. So let's have a look. I can see bubbles, that's good. That's very good. Usually a good sign. Okay. So a tiny bit of gravel. So I'll put some water in there. It's that gravel that's on top. You want to make sure to wash that right the way down. Get all the big rocks first. Wash them. I'm really excited about this one now. On the right kind of material. It's the right colour material. It's on a clay layer. We're at the bottom of a valley. I've got gold out from there already. I see 2 pieces of gold here. I'll be quite happy. And I'll set up the, come back tomorrow and set up the sluice box. Well, 10 would be nice. Okay, one piece of gold would be great. Yeah. One little tiblet there. Micro dot. Barely even see it. Okay, a little one over here. Might get a third piece over here. Very hard to see with the lack of light here. Yeah, there's definitely one piece here. It wasn't in the pan earlier. That's not too bad. I mean, look, we came here not knowing where there's any gold here at all. We took a test pan from there, test pan from there, 2 or 3 test pans from there, 1 test pan from there. Yeah, a couple of big ones over there. I think what I'll do tomorrow is I'll come back with gloves, obviously, sluice box, waders so I can kneel down in the river. Got the bar there, pitchfork, rake, the whole 9 yards. So I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Chances are you'll like what I've previously posted and what's coming in the future. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and sure, I'll catch you next one.